And today we're unboxing a new knife from our friends over at Flissa. They were nice enough to send me this 4.5-inch GT handle folding knife in my favorite color green. So let me use my old sup case knife here to cut that open. And let's take a look at this. Oh, look at this Flissa knife. So little pamphlet. Nice. Look at all the colors. Then the knife, and that's it for the box. So in this little packaging is the knife. So this is a look at it. I can say this feels very, very grippy. I like it. Now folded up like this, it is only 4.5 inches long. Once it's fully extended, beautiful. Wow. 7 7/8 inches, and this blade is 3.11, almost 4 inches. It's only a 1/2 inch thick as well. It is very, very compact and portable, and it has an easy one open design. Has a nice lock, and then of course to fold it down, you just can release this right here. It's perfect for going into your pocket, considering that it includes the little included pocket clip here. Now it does have a anti-thumb slip grip grooves, the G10 tail backing, as well as an included little lanyard hole here. And also the blade is made out of D2 steel, which looks really freaking nice. To me, the grip of this is a great knife, perfect for camping, hunting, whatever you may be using this knife for. That will do it for the unboxing of this knife. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.